Hello, this is Joey with J&G Electric Company, working at Manchester Square with Abode Management. What you are seeing in this video is a safety switch, disconnect switch for the site lighting. It currently has two photo controls. One of the photo controls, which is on the lower left hand corner where my finger is pointing, is new. The red breaker, which is right there, this is a new breaker we installed to separate the circuitry. This is the existing circuit on the right hand side. We installed the two photo controls and the two circuits to try and isolate the problem between the ground faulted circuit. As I'm stepping away and showing you our trench line, you can see the gray conduit in the ground. As well as the gray conduit, you can see how the gray conduit goes under the orange pipe and the orange pipe. This is the location where the fault had occurred, where another contractor attempted to make a repair, which basically faulted. This is our first splice kit, so we've replaced a total of 8 feet of new wire, including one new circuit breaker and a photo control at this point in our day. Then we proceeded towards the gazebo. This is our second trench location. This is the initial ground fault condition that we found, and this is the repair that we've done. As you can see, the depth of the wire leaving the trench is much deeper than the wire that enters into the trench. Moving over to our third location was another faulted piece. We cut that out and installed the two splice kits, as you can see. And once again, you can see the actual burial depth of the cable that is coming out on both sides. And it's not that far down into the ground, maybe 3 inches. The wire then proceeded up into here at the gazebo, and where the gazebo is, there were two different areas. One right here by the one post at the back of the gazebo. You can see we installed one splice kit there, and we replaced the gray cable, which goes from this splice kit all the way under the two azalea bushes here, and it exits back at this side where another splice kit will be installed in that trench. The wire from here heading over to this pole is the last section that we're going to complete for today. This is the main junction point for the site lighting for this area. Everything is fed into this 2-gang weatherproof box, and from here we're going to have to continue basically from this pole down into this courtyard, across to that pole, to those poles there, and including the gazebo should be on tonight.
I am a man up in the air, and I run around the downtown and act like I don't care. So when you see me flying by the planet's moon, you don't need to explain if everything's changed, just know I'm just like